Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you PayPal credit card declined. Let's try a different card. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, log into your PayPal application. So technically the first thing, any kind of tips and tricks will not work in connecting your debit card or credit card to your PayPal account. But if you try like tips and tricks or try again and again like connecting your credit card to PayPal, you will end up being banned or payment permanently limit on your account. So the best way to resolve this issue is by going in contact or help center. We have to go for the contact, click on this color, so you have to go for this call. So you can see this one time, passcode expired after 1 hour. So you have only 1 hour to call them and soon they will help you out and you can solve your problem. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.